Hello everyone, and thank you for being with us today. I'm Sabina Olaru, National Contact Point for MSc in Romania, within the Executive Agency for Higher Education, Research, Development and Innovation Funding. In the next few minutes, I will briefly introduce Romanian research and innovation landscape and highlight why it can be a great destination for postdoctoral research. As you may know, Romania is located in southeastern Europe and has been a EU member since 2007. Romania is a widening country, so we are eligible for ERA fellowships too if you apply with a Romanian host. With a population of 90 million, it has a growing research ecosystem, including 90 universities, public and private, and more than 109 research institutes and centers. Romanian entities are increasingly engaged in Horizon Europe, as you can see in this slide. We submitted more than 5,600 proposals and signed more than 800 grants. The total net EU contribution exceeds 337 million euros. Regarding the MSA program, Romania is involved in 86 MSA projects under Horizon Europe as coordinator and partner, as you can see in this slide. From these projects, we cover all actions of MSCA, including doctoral networks, postdoctoral fellowships, staff exchanges, and more. It reflects our strong commitment to international collaboration, research excellence, and mobility. This slide shows the leading Romanian organization involved in MSA projects under Horizon Europe. Some of them are here today to present their offer. You can see our National Contact Points team at UEFISCDI, which supports Romanian applicants through the Horizon Europe process with proposal reviews, training session, and individual guidance. We encourage you to contact your host institution early and to reach out to the National Contact Point team for guidance. Additionally, Romania offers national platforms like BrainMap and ERTIS, which help researchers connect with institutions. They provide access to data, equipment, and international collaboration opportunities. Beyond research funding, Romania is engaged in several strategic initiatives. M100 is Romania's mirror mission aligned with the European mission on 100 climate neutral and smart cities by 2030, supporting cities in their green transition. UEFISCDI also hosts policy centers for research security and science diplomacy, working to strengthen national capacity in line with the European recommendations. Finally, the Open Science Knowledge Hub supports Romanian research and innovation communities in implementing open science practices and aligning with the European Open Science Strategy. Here you can see the dedicated MSCA NCP team. We are available to support you at any stage in your MSCA journey. To conclude, Romania's research and innovation ecosystem is becoming more connected, competitive, and visible across Europe. We warmly invite you to explore the opportunities offered by my colleagues and consider Romania for your postdoctoral mobility. Thank you very much for your attention.
The Victor Babeş Institute was founded on the 20th April 1887, originally as the Institute of Bacteriology, under the direct leadership of Victor Babeş himself, a pioneer of microbiology, who guided the institute for nearly 4 decades until 1925. Over the course of 139 years, from 1887 to today, the institute has continuously expanded its domains of activity, growing from classical bacteriology and pathology into a broad, modern biomedical research center covering molecular biology, immunology, neuroscience, cardiovascular research, and more. With a strong focus on imaging and molecular characterization, our research topics are supported by an infrastructure that allows studies from the nanoscale level to animal models. The imaging research infrastructure includes a STED super-resolution confocal microscope for nanoscale imaging, and an electron microscope with STEM, cryo, and HADF capabilities, equipment that positions us among the most technically advanced biomedical institutes in southeastern Europe. We also have an authorized animal husbandry facility for rodents, with expertise in generating specific models for various human genetic disorders, from diabetes to melanoma. The Institute has 7 laboratories, presented here, each with its own specific research focus. These laboratories are led by experienced group leaders who drive independent research programs and mentor the next generation of biomedical scientists. The Ultrastructural Pathology and Bioimaging Laboratory focuses on kidney ultrastructural pathology, the biology of extracellular vesicles, and pathogen identification at the subcellular level. The Immunology Laboratory investigates the interplay between genetic and epigenetic pathways in immune-related skin cancers. The Radiobiology Laboratory applies microRNA profiling to better understand mechanisms involved in inflammatory intestinal diseases and cancer. Our animal husbandry facility is currently implementing in vivo studies aimed at improving immune modulation strategies for cancer immunotherapy. The Cell Biology, Neuroscience, and Experimental Myology Laboratory conducts research on Parkinson's disease using both in vitro and transgenic mouse models with a focus on alpha-synuclein aggregation, the gut-brain axis, and the role of intestinal microbiota. In parallel, it investigates muscle biology and sarcopenia, including brain-muscle crosstalk, myokine expression, and biomarkers of muscle wasting. The Medical Genetics Laboratory addresses neurodevelopmental disorders and oncohematology. The Biochemistry Laboratory develops tumor organoid models, including glioma and colorectal cancer models, to identify novel biomarkers for disease diagnosis and treatment response. At the European level, we are partners in 2 EU-funded research projects running from 2024 to 2029, both focused on advancing medical knowledge and contributing to European health research priorities. Nationally, from 2026 to 2030, the Institute will participate in 3 centers of excellence, each co-mentored by internationally renowned scientists: Professor Alessio Fasano from Harvard Medical School in the field of nutritional security, Professor Stefano Pluchino from the University of Cambridge in clinical neuroscience, and Professor Lars Wallentin from Uppsala University in cardiovascular and cerebrovascular disease. Finally, regarding our previous MSCA experience, we were one of the partners in the Carreras Pathfinder project. For any additional information, please visit us at www.iv.ro or contact our scientific secretariat directly at the email addresses shown here. We look forward to building something meaningful together. Thank you.
Bucharest, Romania's vibrant capital, blends rich history with modern energy. Known for its lively cultural scene and warm hospitality, the city is a dynamic hub of education, innovation, and healthcare. Its renowned medical university attracts international students, offering cutting-edge research and world-class training. Carol Davila University of Medicine and Pharmacy gets its name from the French doctor of Italian origin, Carol Davila, who along with Nicolae Crețulescu founded the National School of Medicine and Pharmacy in Romania in 1857, the first of its kind. In 1875, the Students' Association was created, the Medical Students' Society of Bucharest, which exists to this day. Throughout the years, UMFCD has kept providing the highest quality of medical education, creating fulfilling careers, and being the first home of important personalities such as Nobel Prize laureate George Emil Palade and other prominent names in medicine such as Anna Aslan, Nicolae Paulescu, Victor Babeş, and many more. Today, UMFCD is an international educational and research hub where students from all regions of the world join together in our international student modules. The high-quality education is reflected by the university's rankings. The university has been carrying out medical simulation activities since 2020. The Medical Simulation Centre is structured on 6 levels with an area of 2,000 square metres, includes 17 theory and practice, and is equipped with over 35 advanced high-fidelity simulators, along with many other basic simulators, equipment and medical furniture. The Centre for Innovation and E-Health aims to develop students and teachers' skills and competencies in digital innovation and health activities in order to increase competitiveness and adapt to the digitisation of education and health systems. Some of the opportunities for students include conferences, hands-on workshops, simulation training and digital learning resources. The Innovation and E-Health Centre involves students in 4 main directions: big data analysis, creative activities, digital solutions and innovative technologies. The students and teachers of the Faculty of Dentistry will be able to benefit from the many educational advantages of the new haptic technology, the first system of its kind brought to Romania, which will be used at the Laboratory of Digital Techniques in Dentistry of the Interdisciplinary Centre for Research and Development in Dentistry. Carol Davila University is vitally engaged in research projects, both nationally and internationally, with 18 research centres and 37 university teaching hospitals. The university is home to several cutting-edge research centres dedicated to advancing biomedical science and healthcare innovation. These facilities foster interdisciplinary collaboration and groundbreaking research, enhancing both education and medical practice. The Centre for Research and Development of Innovative Therapeutic Structures, InnoTer, is carrying out programs and projects focused on basic, applied, development and innovation research in the biomedical field, with an emphasis on the development of novel, personalised therapeutic systems. With an impressive material base, the Centre for Interdisciplinary Research and Development in Dentistry has opened at the University of Medicine and Pharmacy Carol Davila in Bucharest. Housed within the discipline of Organisation, Professional Legislation and Dental Practice Management, the Digital Dentistry Techniques Laboratory introduces innovative elements, including cutting-edge simulators. The lab integrates advanced technology for a complete digital workflow, enhancing training for students and resident doctors at the university. The Institute of Research and Development in Genomics of UMFCD will be a cutting-edge research facility dedicated to advancing genomic science. It will focus on innovative genomic research, integrating advanced technologies in gene sequencing and analysis. The Institute will aim to contribute significantly to medical and biological sciences, particularly in understanding genetic factors in diseases and developing personalized medicine approaches. The aim of the CareVask project is to develop a multidisciplinary research centre in the field of health with a focus on cardio-cerebrovascular diseases, which represent the main cause of morbidity and mortality in Romania. The centre will provide the material basis for achieving excellence in teaching and research and developing partnerships between UMFCD and other universities or research entities in the field of education, research and innovation.
This and more can be found at the University of Medicine and Pharmacy Carol Davila, where tradition meets innovation, and every student becomes part of a legacy that shapes the future of healthcare. Here, we don't just teach science, we inspire purpose. Join us and become the difference the world needs.
Hello, my name is Andreea Hurub, and I am a project manager at the Institute of Macromolecular Chemistry Petru Poni in Iași of the Romanian Academy. It's my pleasure to briefly introduce our institute and the opportunities available for prospective Marie Curie postdoctoral program. In the next few minutes, I will present our city, our research activities in fundamental and applied science, our research infrastructure, and some of our key scientific achievements. Romania is in Central and South East Europe and has about 22 million people. Its capital is Bucharest and the currency is the Romanian leu. Romania offers a rich cultural heritage, beautiful landscapes, and many historical sites, combined with a growing economy and affordable living cost, is an attractive destination for international researchers. Iași, located in eastern Romania, is one of the country's most important academic and cultural centres. It is home to Romania's first university and has a rich historical heritage, making it an attractive destination for education, research, and innovation. Iași offers a good quality of life, low living costs, safety, green spaces, and a dynamic economy with an international community, making it attractive for researchers and families. Located in Iași, Petru Poni Institute of Macromolecular Chemistry is a leading research institute of the Romanian Academy. Founded in 1949, Petru Poni Institute has a strong scientific profile with over 300 publications annually, more than 7 patents, and extensive experience in national and European research projects. In addition to research, Poni Institute contributes to doctoral education. The doctoral schools of chemical science of the Romanian Academy and supports knowledge and technology transfer in polymer synthesis and processing. The research at Poni Institute is carried out within 9 laboratories, covering a wide range of topics in polymer science and advanced materials. In the next slides, I will briefly highlight some of our main research areas and their potential application. Researchers at Poni develop advanced polymers biomaterials for pharmaceutical and medical application. Another research direction focuses on electroactive and optoactive nanomaterials. Research includes electro and optically active polymers, sensors, and biosensor, as well as a material for solar cell applications. Research also covers composite and hybrid polymer materials for environment and catalytic applications. Polymers and advanced material for energy conservation and storage represents another important research direction at Poni Institute. We also focus on biodegradable polymer materials and eco-technologies for the recovery and recycling of polymer waste and multifunctional polymer materials and eco-technologies for films, coatings, and adhesives. Poni Institute benefits from modern research equipment that supports material synthesis, characterization, and testing, covering a wide range of physical, chemical, and functional properties. Our institute has a strong scientific output and a high number of publications across polymer science, chemistry, and materials science. Our institute has strong national and international collaboration with universities, research centers, and industry partners. This includes major academic institutions in Romania and more than 70 partners worldwide across Europe, North America, Asia, and South America. Thank you for your attention. And we warmly invite you to contact us for more details or to discover more about our activities and opportunities. Thank you so much.